In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. I will share with you guys new methods that you should start using if you want to earn commission with Amazon affiliates. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. I will share with you guys how you can find a profitable and trending Amazon product and how you can find people who will be interested to buy those products from your affiliate links on Pinterest and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. So first you should have an Amazon affiliate account to start promoting your affiliate links. And what you need to do first, so to start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, we need to see what's trending on Pinterest, which products are trending, which services, what people are searching for. Okay, so what you will do, go to your Google, okay, and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, see, this is the first step that you should start doing. Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, and here you go. So what you will do, so first select the country that you want to target to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. If you want to target audience from United States, you can select this country, or from Canada, Italy, and so on. Let's just keep it in United States and let's scroll down, and here you go. This Pinterest trend will give you what's trending in United States this month. Okay, so this is the product that are trending. Okay, as you can see, let's check this one. For example, this products for women. Okay, and scroll down, and as you can see, the graph is just, it's going up. Okay, and if we click over here, you can click and select just past 3 months. Okay, and it's really good. Okay, so this product is trending, and if we even scroll down, we can find more trending related trends. Okay, more keywords. So what you will do, let's select this one. I will select this one to, and I will delete this one. And as you can see, this one also is trending, nails. Okay, for this product is for women. Okay, so what I will do, I will just copy this name, this product name, like this, and go back to Amazon. Okay, click on the search and search for this product. Okay, like this. So you cannot promote any product that you want or product that you like. You need to choose which products are trending. Okay, so this one is already trending on Pinterest and that's really good. So scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of products here that you can promote. Okay, let's scroll down more. So like this one is really good. And if we scroll down, we have this one. And if we even scroll more, so those products are already trending. So what you will do, just choose one product. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose this one. Okay, so just click on the product that you want to promote. So for me, I will choose this one. Okay, and what you will do next, click over here on, so before you click over here, you need to go back to Pinterest. Okay, so go back to your Pinterest account. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to home feed, open your Pinterest account like this. It's super easy. So you should have a Pinterest business account, not personal account. You should have Pinterest business account. Then this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. You need to upload a picture about this product that you want to promote. So I want to promote this one. I will click on this picture, I will double click, and I will click on save image. Okay, save this picture to your laptop. I will name it, for example, Amazon, like this, and click on save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture about your product like this. Open, and here you go. You need to put this product title here and the product description and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Go back to Amazon, copy this title. I will copy this one. I will copy this part like this. this title. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this product title here, description. Go back to your Amazon, to this Amazon product page, scroll down, okay? You should see this one about this item. This is the description of this product. So you can copy this description like this, and you can go back to Pinterest and you can put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Amazon account, to this Amazon product page. If you click over here on text, so like I said guys, you should already have Amazon affiliate account. So if you already have Amazon affiliate account, you should see this bar over here, Amazon associate, okay? And if you click on text, this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product, okay? So I will copy this product. I will copy this affiliate link for this product. I will go back to Pinterest. I will scroll down and I will put this affiliate link here. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate link. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, okay? I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords, okay? Those keywords related to this product so people can find your product on Pinterest. So what you will do, you will go back to Amazon trend, to Pinterest trend, to your Pinterest trend account and copy this keyword, okay? Copy this keyword and scroll down and copy all those keywords here. Nails ideas, copy this one and copy this one, copy this one, copy all those keywords, go back to Pinterest and scroll down and put those keywords here like this, okay? They are really super easy. And I will put this one. So make sure to use all those keywords like I said, okay? And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go. Your Amazon affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. This product is already trending like you see in this video, okay? And this is your affiliate link. This is your title, your description for this product, and that's it. That's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.